Let's take a closer look at this cleaner called the Pink Stuff. And it is, as it says, the Miracle Cleaning Paste. And this is already the second jar I have purchased because it cleans that well. It won't leave any scratches or any streaks, and it can remove stains and grease and grime. It can help scrub your shower, your toilet, your sinks, your bathtub, just about anything. And the number one reason I picked this Pink Stuff cleaning agent is because it is 99% natural ingredients, and it can be used inside or outside. It is one of the best cleaning products I have ever purchased. And now let me demonstrate how well this cleans. Now, I did put some Pink Stuff on my sponge, and I've been just rubbing little circles to show you how well this cleans up. Let me get a rag and let me show you the difference here. Look at that. That is all grease, and here it's just nice, shiny, clean. So if you have never tried the Pink Stuff before, I highly recommend it because I guarantee no matter what you clean, you will see great results.